Breakfast time. Start the day with learning.
Sarah was determined to learn English, but she understood that every big change starts with small steps. She reminded herself of this every day, taking one step at a time toward her goal. So, she decided to integrate her learning journey into her simplest and most everyday moments. Slowly, she opened her eyes, feeling the comfortable warmth of the blankets.
Me waking up.
I opened my eyes, she murmured softly, letting the foreign words blend into the silence of the morning.
I open my eyes. I open my eyes.
She sat on the bed, repeating to herself, I sit on my bed. It was a new habit, but somehow it felt natural.
I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed.
When she got up, still sleepy, she stretched her arms.
I open my arms. I open my arms.
Sarah smiled slightly, proud of her commitment to learning English.
I smile slightly. I smile slightly.
Calmly, she sat up on the bed, repeating to herself, I sit on my bed. It was a new habit, but somehow it felt natural.
I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed.
I get out of bed. I stretch my arms, she said, as if each movement were connected to the words she had learned.
I stretch my arms. I get out of bed.
The cold floor completely woke her up as she walked to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom.
I go into the bathroom, she said carefully, as if each word had a special weight.
I go into the bathroom. I go into the bathroom.
I look in the mirror, she said quietly, watching the words come to life as she stared at herself. I look in the mirror.
Look in the mirror.
As she washed her face, she felt the cold water touch her skin. Sarah repeated, I wash my face. A reminder that she was making progress, one small step at a time.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
In the mirror, as she dried her face with the soft towel, Sarah repeated, I dry my face. It wasn't just a phrase. It was a reminder that she was making progress, one small step at a time.
I dry my face. I dry my face.
While brushing her teeth, she heard herself speak again. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my hands, he said calmly, accompanying the movement with the words that were now part of his daily life.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
She washed her hands and took the towel to dry them. I dry my hands, she repeated, feeling that, with each gesture, the English became more natura.
I dry my hands. I dry my hands.
After finishing her routine, Sarah felt a small wave of pride. Integrating English into her days was more than just learning. It was a commitment to the future she desired. Did you like the video? Then subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any updates. You won't miss any updates. Let's move forward in English with a practical and daily routine. Click like and hit the bell to follow all our episodes. Continue your journey now. Join part 2, breakfast time, and discover how to learn English while enjoying breakfast. Comment below. Which routine sentence did you find easiest? See you in the next